Yes, so today we have a very special patient of mine. He's more like a friend now. And we have been on a long journey of hair transformation. How long was this?
It was more than a year now.
More than a year?
Yeah.
Almost 1.5 years?
Yeah, almost.
Yeah. So we did a transplant 1.5 years back on him. It's been almost 15 months. And after that, we have been on a strict protocol of medications and PRP to retain his existing hair. We had restored the entire hairline with the recessions on both the sides. In his case, am I correct?
Yeah.
Right? And you can see how nicely the hair have come in. Okay, they look really nice. And also, if you have a look, his existing hair have retained quite well. Can you just look down for me? Yeah, you cannot figure out in his case that anything has been done, any transplant has been done, and the existing hair are just looking fantastic. So, again, I just want to ask you a few questions.
Sure.
Since you are a patient who has been with us on a journey for 1.5 years,
Yeah.
I would like to know how was your experience during the procedure, after the procedure, and 1.5 years after the procedure now.
I think it didn't take me much time when I first came to meet you and just to understand like what stage I was in.
Correct.
And what I need to do next. And I think within like 15 days I was in this huge chair with Artas. And I remember it was so comfortable. I was watching a movie on Netflix while the entire process was getting done.
Right.
Yeah. And then from there it's been like the way we have done the PRP, the way the medicines has come. I think the kind of like the response I wanted, I've got exactly that, and I love the hair I have. And I really, I'm still gonna go for the PRP just to like keep my existing hair look really great.
Correct.
And I think that's the best way to do it.
And how has that impacted your life? You know, apart from the hair transformation itself, in your daily life, has it created any change in your daily life?
I think looking at myself in the mirror before the transplant, I used to look old.
Right.
Like my age maybe was like when I got my transplant I was 27. Right now I'm 28. And now when people look at me, I don't think they actually figure out that I'm 28 now. Because the hair has given me so much confidence.
Correct. And can anyone figure out that you got a transplant done?
No, not even the barber I used to go to. I think the third or fourth time I got the haircut, he realized that I've transplanted my hair. And then he was like, "Did you do it?" I was like, "Yeah, it was like 1.5 years ago." And he was surprised by that fact.
So it looks quite natural, right?
Yeah.
So contrary to the popular belief, how painful was it? And did you have too much of discomfort, any side effects? Because you're a person whom I can ask, did you have any immediate side effects, any delayed side effects? It's been 15 months.
Yeah.
To almost 17 months, I think now.
Yeah.
Did you have any side effects at all?
See, I'll say that I had no pain while the entire process was going on. And even the side effects, I didn't have any. It was a very smooth sail for me.
Right.
I touch wood for that.
Right.
But I think I should thank you for that because you made it really easy for me.
No, I appreciate that. I'm happy that you are happy. At the end of the day, that's what makes us happy.
Yeah.
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 And what is that one thing that you like to tell people who are skeptical about this process, thinking that you have to sit with your head after that because of the pain?
Yeah.
It's very painful, and there's too much of blood involved, and it just causes a lot of side effects. There's so many of skepticisms.
Correct.
Right? What is that one thing you would like to tell them?
See, any person who has been dealing with an issue of an hair fall or receding hairline is himself or herself going through a lot of pain itself, like just watching yourself in the mirror.
Correct.
I think this process made life really easy for me. There is no pain actually, honestly. And like within 10 days of the surgery, I was back doing my regular work. So there is nothing like that.
And how was the post-operative care?
It was really good. I think Musk is one of the best clinics to get it done because here once you come in, you are a patient, but also you are part of this huge family they have. So it's
that.
really fun. Yeah.
Fine. So thanks a lot for this.
For sure.
And I hope you had a great experience with us.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Thank you for this.
Thank you so much.